Mountain confirms call logs between Justice Yunusa, Rickey Tarfa. Justice Yunusa, R., and his lawyer, a fraud analyst working with Mountain Communications, Mr. Ogunbadejo, has confirmed to a Nigeria Special Offences Court the call logs between a judge of the Federal High Court, Justice Mohammed Yunusa, and a senior advocate of Nigeria, SAN, Mr. Rickey Tarfa. Ogunbadejo, who is the first prosecution witness for the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, was being led in evidence by Mr. Wahab Shittu, the lead prosecuting counsel for the commission before Justice Sharifat Solbo. Justice Yunusa is facing a 4-count of attempted perversion of the course of justice and corruption by a public official, co-defendant and an employee with law firm of Rickey Tarfa, SAN, Esther Agbo, is facing a charge of offering gratification to a public official. During proceedings yesterday, Ogunbadejo told the court that call log contained the records of 2 numbers, which belonged to one Rickey Mustapha Tarfa and one Mohammed Nasir Yunusa. There were several calls made between these numbers, he said. Shittu's attempt to make Ogunbadejo testify about his statement on oath made to the EFCC was, however, opposed by Justice Yunusa's defense counsel, Chief Robert Clark, SAN, and Agbo's defense counsel Mr. John Adubla, SAN. Their objection was on the grounds that it was not served on their team as part of the proof of evidence, which should be forwarded to the defense. Justice Sharifat Solbo, while upholding the objection of the defense, said, in view of the tardiness of the prosecution and lack of proof of service of the statement to the defense, it is hereby marked rejected. Under cross-examination by Clark, Ogunbadejo admitted that he was not privy to the content of the phone conversations between the judge and Mr. Rickey Tarfa, SAN. We, Mountain, do not give cloned SIM cards, we do not keep records of verbal communications, we do not keep the content of text messages, and we are not privy to conversations between 2 parties, the Mountain fraud analyst said. The second prosecution witness and the head of regulatory liaison at UBA, Mr. Robinson Imafidon, also told the court that in 2016, following the EFCC's request, UBA provided the statement of the account of the judge to the anti-graft agency. The owner of the account is Mohammed Nasir Yunusa. On March 18, 2015 there was a transfer of N750,000 from one Joseph No Bike, SAN & Co. On May 14, 2015, there was a cash deposit into the account of N1.5 million by one Agbo Esther, he said. Under cross-examination by Clark, Imafidon admitted that he was not aware of the purpose of the bank transaction. I do not know the reason for the transfer by Esther Agbo, Imafidon said. Earlier during proceedings, Justice Solbo, in a short ruling, admitted into evidence a letter from Mountain, which was certified by the EFCC. On July 4, the defense had opposed the admissibility of the letter on the grounds that the anti-graft agency could not certify a document from Mountain. In the ruling, Justice Solbo noted that the letter, which certified the Mountain call logs, was retrieved during investigations by the anti-graft agency.